Hello, friends and scholars. You are welcome to JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths. Good. In this class, we have maths questions on the board to solve. Now, let us learn these practical questions on percentage. Number one question says, what percent of 4 is 5? The question appears to be simple but tricky, as some students fail this question. Of course, these questions are taken from past questions. Okay? Now, first of all, you have to interpret the statement correctly before you'll be able to get the correct answer. Solution. When we say what percent of 4 is 5, which means we need to look for that unknown number. So we can call it, let the number be x. Of course, x has suffered a lot in mathematics. So which means x percent of 4 is means equal to 5. Then you further, that means x over 100. Of course, percent means a fraction of 100 expressed. So of means times 4 is equal to 5. Then when you continue, x times 4 will give us what? 4x over 100 is equal to 5. Okay? Very simple. When you cross multiply this, you now have that 4x is equal to 5 times 100. So that will give us 4x is equal to 500. So to find the value of x now, we divide both sides by the quotient of x, which is 4. So our x will now be equal to 500 over 4. So what can divide? 2 divides 4, you get what? 2. 2 divides 500, of course, will give us 250. So over 2 here. 2 divides itself 1. 2 divided 250 will give us 125, which is half of 250. So the answer to that question is 125. So which means that 125% of 4 is 5, because 5 is more than 4. So you'll be expecting something more than 100%, because 100% of 4 will be 4. So but that's something that is more than 4 shows that it is above 100%. Good. But if it is below, if this number here is below 4, it means you are going to get something less than 100%. But when the number is more than what is percentage in, let me put it that way, then you get something more than 100%. There is excess. Okay? Good. Then we come to number 2 question. So our answer to number 1 question is option C. This is our answer. Then go to number 2. Number 2 says, 20 is 40% of what number? You look at the question, how it is different from this. So which means you interpret it. Let the number be, let's use n this time so that x will rest a bit. Okay, so we have that. You can start with this statement, start with this. 40% of n is equal to 20. That's what it means. That 40% of something, that number will give us what? 20. Because of ease. Okay? Which means 40 over 100 times n is equal to 20. Can you see? Then, if you like, you can start the work immediately. Yes, if you like, you can cross multiply first. So let's start immediately. 0 can cancel 0 here, of course. We are left with 4 times n. 4n over 10 is equal to 20. Good. Then, if you like, you can divide further or cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. That will give us 4n is equal to 20 times 10. Then we have that 4n is equal to 200. Therefore, our n will be equal to 200 over 4. Of course, we know that 2 divided here is what? We get 2. in a simpler way, or we can go direct. Very simple. 4 divided itself is 1. 4 divided 20 gives you 5. Put the 0 here. So the answer is what? 50. So the number is 50. So 20 is 40% of 50. 40% of 50 will give you what? 20. So our answer here is option B as our answer. Correct. Now, I want you to try this. Yes, try this. Now, try this. Number one question you will try is what, try this. What percent of, what percent of 8 is 10? What percent of 8 is 10? Try this one. The number 2, I'll give you 24 is 50%, is 30% of what number? So try this. 24 is 30% of what number? Number 1, what percent of 8 is 10? Good. Try this one and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for paying attention. For more of this or private tutorial on physics and mathematics, then chat me on my WhatsApp number, which is there in the screen. And also, you can drop message to me via my inbox. Do not forget to like and share this video for others to enjoy with us. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. God bless you. Bye-bye.